To all viewers of Mana TV, I extend my warmest wishes on Mahatma Gandhi's 152nd birth anniversary. We've had grand celebrations here in New York, including at the consulate. On his birthday, we also celebrate the UN mandated International Day of Nonviolence. Let us bring as much of Mahatma Gandhi in our lives to build a better tomorrow for ourselves and for our future generations. Thank you.
Okay, I'm a founder of Gandhian Society, and my colleague Sonal is with me. She will talk about some Gandhian Society today. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonal and Gandhian Society is doing a lot of great work. We have collected a lot of funds for our ambulance and now we have a new project coming up which is the digital museum for Gandhiji. So please support, we ask everyone to support us for this great cause. Uh, Thank you so much. Putalaji is doing a great work.
Good afternoon. My name is Rajendra Dichpalli and I'm the director of Gandhian Society. Today is 2nd October 2021. We are at the Indian Consulate celebrating Mahatma Gandhi's 152nd birth anniversary. The Gandhian Society is very proud to do this event to celebrate the birth anniversary of one of the greatest men that has walked on this planet. The Gandhian Society has been doing its best to propagate the values and ideals of this great man who's called the father of the India, Mahatma Gandhi. And Gandhian Society has done a lot of charitable projects in India, especially in the last 1 year when the second wave of pandemic hit the country. Gandhian Society was one of the first organizations to reach India with oxygen concentrators to distribute in rural and tribal areas. And the Gandhian Society is also donating ambulances to India through various donors from the US. We have so far donated 10 ambulances and we hope to do more. The Gandhian Society is working on a very ambitious project to build a massive digital museum for Mahatma Gandhi in New Jersey in partnership with the Birla Group and other prominent NRIs. And we hope that this digital museum will be a life science project for many of the children here to learn important values that Mahatma Gandhi has propagated during his lifetime. He often said, "My life is my message." His values of non-violence, of honesty, of patriotism, and love for God and human beings is universal and timeless. And on behalf of Gandhian Society, I thank you all and wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. God bless America and God bless India. Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. I also thank Mana TV International that has always supported Gandhian Society and its activities and its events. Thank you so much for Ragini and Sharat for always being there for us. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Upendra Chibukula, New Jersey Board of Public Utilities Commissioner at the New York Consulate in New York, celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. It's a wonderful program that was organized by Gandhian Society of New Jersey and headed by Bhadra Bhuttalaji. And it was wonderful short speeches and recognizing Gandhi's contribution and his immemorability, and also recognizing some of the volunteers. They have donated the money for ambulances, and there are many other programs that the Gandhian Society has done, and celebrating all the successes. And there are a few speakers. We had the Consul General Jaiswalji, and then we had the Deputy Consul General were there, and some of the leaders from the community. And HR Shah could not make it today, so they had a message from him. He's the president, chairman of the Gandhian Society. So it's so wonderful to be back with Mana TV International, and it's been some time. And we are excited about the whole coverage.
First of all, thank you very much, Mana TV International, for giving us this opportunity to make sure that the message of Gandhi Jayanti is spread across the world. This is very important occasion, and we thank for Indian Consulate for giving us the opportunity to celebrate this great event. Obviously, everybody knows about Gandhi. In fact, Gandhi is the only one statement whose ideology is followed by everybody and can be followed by every religion and every human being. It is our responsibility to carry on his message of ahimsa so that it can be it can basically live for infinity, infinity of mankind. This is a very important topic, and that's why we like to basically make sure that every year, not only we celebrate in 2nd of October, but also across our daily life, we can have the Gandhian ideology to celebrate it to make our life better. By the way, just as a matter of fact, today is Gandhi's 152nd birthday. I actually share his birthday with him, and I'm also pleased and honored to be part of this whole celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Mana International TV. This is very nice to give me an opportunity to say a few words in such a precious day. Today is the celebration of 75th Bapu Gandhiji's Day, and I'm part of Gandhian Society. It's such a privilege to say some of the words. Dedi tune azadi vina khadak vina dhal langoti wale. He never had the clothes. People used to call him langoti wala bapu, lekin bapu jo tumne diya, kisi ne nahi diya. Honesty, integrity, your rules are ever. Your rules went even to Mandala, to South Africa. And I think I'm privileged. I have seen my grandparents and my parents following you. I follow your rule. Honesty, integrity, pyar, love with the Bharat Ma. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
I thank you, Mana TV International, for being the media partners and being present here in the celebration of Gandhiji's 152nd birthday celebrations. The message here is carrying the heritage and legacy of Gandhiji through our younger generations. It is not about closing the liquor shops anymore. It is the responsibility and the duty on every one of us to carry the Yuga Purush and the man of millennium's 10 principles for the world that we need to carry, and it's our I feel that it's our responsibility. And how I am conducting my responsibility is quite interesting. I am part of a Gandhi Sevadal, and also I work closely with the Gandhian Society. And as my part, I conduct boot camps in rural India and connect with high school students from middle school to high school. And they are well connected when we talk about Gandhiji and the character building. So the boot camp that I conducted was character building the Gandhian way. And I educated children about the 10 principles of Gandhi, and they were very enthusiastic to learn more about his life and his mission. So here we are to celebrate his life and to carry on his legacy to the future generations. And we must understand he is the man of millennium, and no one else is close to the title. And it's our right and duty to carry that forward to everyone. And I thank you one and all again, and let's do it in a calm and very energizing way. Thank you.
Namaste. On behalf of Gandhi Jayanti today, I am Balaji Jilla, Director of the Gandhian Society. We are privileged and honored that we are celebrating the Jayanti celebrations at the Indian Consulate, New York. I am from New Jersey. I work for the United States Army. And part of our importance today is announcing the Digital Museum for Gandhiji. What this Digital Museum will bring to America, especially for our Indian young generation, and inspiration and the things to learn, the principles Gandhiji has laid for us. Simple living, high thinking with global acceptance of Gandhiji is what we need to pass on to our younger generation. And soon, in next couple of years, you will see this digital museum, which will provide our younger generation with all the values and the principles they need to learn. This is the way we would like to pass on to the younger generation. Thank you.
I am Magan Patel. I born in 15th August 1931, and I was, my whole family was, and my grandparents, my parents, everybody was involved into the freedom movement, from led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel from Bardoli, Gujarat, India. And I had met all the leaders of the freedom movement at that time. Gandhiji, Rajendra Prasad, Rajaji, everybody. And I got a blessing from them. and I also attended the first convention of the Congress Party in 1939. And Subhash Chandra Bose was the first president elected by them. He was 51 years old, so we have given the 51 bullock Rath and to get him around the whole area. And he was so got emotional, and he himself said, "I am Patidar, I am Patel, I'm with you." And I had the Gandhi in my life. I adopted an all non-violence principle, and I go by that. I walk every day like 20,000 steps, even today, and I work for almost 16, 17 hours every day. I only sleep 3.5 hours, and Gandhi is my Sardar Patel and Gandhi and all those my heroes. I love them, and I follow them.
I'm happy to be part of this celebration, and there are a couple of quotes that I really love about Gandhi. One is that be the change you want to see in the world, and then hate the sin, love the sinner. And one thing was the assertiveness from the Gandhiji I love about it. He's very direct, honest, and respectful. And we also heard in the talk, according to the UN General Assembly, October 2nd, they declared International Non-Violence Day. So we have to follow that to resolve all our conflicts. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. Bye.
Hi, my name is Venkatesh Mutyala. I'm chairman of Telugu Literary and Cultural Association, which is a non-profit Indian organization established in tri-state area in the 1971. So we are embarking on a golden journey, 50 years of the existence of our organization, and I'm here at the Indian Consul General's office in New York, celebrating the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. It is organized by the Gandhian Society, and they have recognized the donors who helped during the pandemic in India, and they have honored those who have donated the ambulances and those who rendered assistance during this pandemic period in India. And also Consul General Mr. Randhir Jaiswal and Deputy Consul General, they have given a wonderful message on the occasion with regard to the Gandhiji's philosophy towards life, non-violence, and the character building. And everybody knows that Mahatma Gandhiji is an icon to the world, and that is what India has given to the world. The most iconic figure that everybody embraced all over the world, Mahatma Gandhiji, and really we are proud of our heritage. Thank you.